This is a detail on how to do the hand mudras for the short Amitabha sadhana. Argam is drinking water, and it consists of the two hands, fingers laced together, open like a bowl. Padyam is water for washing. The left hand remains open, and the right hand sweeps and then touches. Pupe is flowers. It almost looks like you're picking flowers. Dupe is incense, with the thumbs tucked in and the fists touching. Aloke is lamps. The thumbs come up like flames. Gende is perfume, and the hands curl upward and out as though one is applying perfume. Newade is food. The hands sweep outward as though holding a tray. And Shabda is music. The left hand and then the right hand curl inward and then beat like a drum. Ahung or Soha, then you snap the fingers.